Do you want to know how you can log into your Frollo account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Frollo account. So, go ahead and install Frollo from the Play Store and go ahead and open it. Before you log in, you must know that you must have an account for you to log in. So, the first step is to write down your email address in the first box. After you write down your email address, go to the password section and write down your password as well. Make sure your password is correct. After that, go ahead and click sign in. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on reset, which you see on the screen, or else you can just click on sign in. After you click on sign in, Frollo will ask an authentication. You can use either biometrics or set the passcode. So go ahead and click use biometrics and scan your fingerprint. And what you need to do is write down a passcode, or you can create one if you have not done it. So go ahead and do that and click continue. And there you go. This is how you log into your Frollo account with just simple steps. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.